Good morning, everyone. Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar, and today is Thursday, September 2nd. And let's start out, as we do every day, by looking at the economic calendar and to see if there's any announcements that are going to be market movers. Now, yesterday, September 1st, the only number that came in way out of line with the expectations was the unemployment report. They were expecting 600,000 new jobs to be added, and I have it right here, and there were only 374,000 jobs added. So other than that, there was nothing market moving. Today, nothing that's going to move the market on its own. Moving over to the news going into the market, flags are in the green, 10-year treasuries has slipped a bit, but again, nothing new over here. Futures are up slightly, so moving down to the rest of the news, and I look to see if there's anything particularly negative, and I don't. I'm just going to go through this quickly. I've already done it. Of course, you're going to check your own news source, but of course, as I tell my students in my course, never depend on the market news to sway your opinion of how prices are going to move. Yesterday, here's the chart of the E-mini, and this is yesterday's price action, and I have the support and resistance, the trading zones that I put up yesterday morning. I put this up just prior to the market opening yesterday, and I said look for a gap to be closed. There's going to be a small gap, and there was. It was a 5-point gap, and it was closed right here. You can hardly see it because it was a big hammer that formed after the gap was filled, right after the open. Gap was filled, prices shot up a bit, and then were hammered back down, and the support held right at the close of the previous day. The trends yesterday were from 12 in the afternoon to 1:30, where the trend was up, and then again from 1:30 to 3, where the trend was down. Now, typically, most traders trade from 9:30 to 11, and then from 2:30 or so to 4, Eastern time, of course. So if you traded in this area in the morning, you were slammed by a lot of volatility both ways, no trend except very short-term trends. Nevertheless, prices stayed within the trading range that I denoted yesterday. Let's move on to today. Now here we are, and I put the trading range up today. And today the trading range is 45.31 to 45.43. Pretty narrow. Trading range is only about 12 points today. And this is a calculated trading range based on recent past price performance. So 45.31 to 45.43. And prices are just edging up to that level. And if support and resistance holds, we should expect to see prices trading within this range. Now, there's another little twist to this. I put a horizontal line here denoting yesterday's close. Yesterday's close was 45.23, far below the 45.31 support of my calculated trading range. So, if anything, look for a gap in the morning. I don't know whether we're going to trade in this range or somewhere under it, because if the gap closes, if this window closes down to 45.23, I don't know what prices are going to do after that. And of course, these calculated numbers are just that. They're calculations based on past performance that generally holds true over time. So while they've been accurate on average, don't count on them. Watch for prices. But nevertheless, this is a calculated support at 45.31. This is a calculated resistance at 45.43. 12-point trading range. And so I would expect a 12-point trading range, a relatively narrow 12-point trading range today. In fact, I would say the 12-point trading range is perhaps more accurate than the actual 45.43 to 45.31. In fact, as I've done in the past, if the market gaps down, I might move my trading range down to this level to match the opening price and the subsequent closing price action to close the window. Don't know yet. Anyway, keep your powder dry, trade safe. I try to give you these insights to help your trading. And of course, trading is difficult. If anything, if you don't feel comfortable with the trade, don't trade. You can always find a spot to trade. And because it's called day trading, just doesn't mean that you have to trade every day. So trade safe. Have a great day. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. And if you, of course, are looking for some help in trading, some insights, check out my course at timelessdollar.com. Again, have a great day.